Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing, "We've done a great job," as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.